Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by picking a provider and the right OS image. This matters for performance and cost. Create an account and verify identity, then enable 2FA to protect access. Once done, add an SSH key or set a secure password. This is how you'll log in. Make sure to choose minimal specs like 1 vCPU and 2 GB RAM for light tasks. Lower specs save money but affect responsiveness. Now launch the instance. Boot time tells you the provider's responsiveness. Once the VM is running, connect and immediately apply updates so you're not exposed to known bugs. Harden remote access. Change SSH port or restrict to your IP range, disable root login, and install fail2ban. Configure users with sudo, create an automated backup or snapshot schedule, and mount any persistent storage you need. Make sure to install required packages for your workflow. This reduces downtime and keeps your environment reproducible. Backups save you from configuration mistakes. You finish by testing each service and mapping DNS or bookmarking the public IP so you can reach it consistently. Automate startup tasks and enable monitoring to watch CPU, RAM, and disk. Set alerts for spikes. Document credentials in a secure vault. If you can't connect, first check firewall rules and your provider's status page, then verify the SSH key or password, and use the provider's web console to inspect boot logs. That single troubleshooting tip. Inspect Cloud Console.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.